my people, it don't happen again, it don't settle. No be small something make una carry una jokote sit down, come listen to this one. It don't happen. As I dey talk to una now, Odogwu Bubu don't visit Zion ministry, don't touch am. No be small matter, but no be that one I make me carry this update come here. E get wetin my eye see. I don't know whether my eye dey pay me or I don't know. My people, I want ask this question. This man so no be Emeka Ani. When he with Mathias, they call sit down. Mathias come the interview and he say he need help. Say he won't go hospital, go treat himself. Now Mathias come the interview and they ask him different questions. He come still talk say he don't go on Motofofe church and he don't still go Zion ministry. Now the matter come bust for internet so. Later now Emeka Ani come back, he can leave Mathias. He say he with Mathias no fit flow because Mathias not believe in Christ Jesus. He can go back. He say he never insult Zion. This he can go back. On I understand, on I hear the matter, but he get wetin my eye they see now whether this man Emeka Ani on I know say you know they sad. He come out come say make they contribute money for am when you go use to do surgery. Say he get boy and the boy don't go and the eye still dey pain am. Say he won't go if na America or if na India. Say like something like 10 million. Say the thing go good. Say the person go eat, they go pay bill, they go do this one. That time when he can't come out, when Mathias come out for inside, the issue can't bust. The man can't disappoint Mathias Ezeaku. And what I can't ask be say this man not be Emeka Ani. If this man Emeka Ani, my people, make una leave her on the comment section there because I not go understand now. He don't settle. Mathias must see this one. No be small matter. Make una watch the video. una don watch the video. No be small thing oh. This man so no be Emeka Ani. I ask again. If na Emeka Ani, my people, make una put the comment or the comment section down there. No be small thing oh. See as this man dey sharp. See as he dey dance. No be small thing. The man don wait finish oh my people. No be small matter. He come dey jubilate. He with Odogwu Bubu. No be small dance. As I cross this one, I watch Octo Light. I say this man no be that man when come dey talk say I dey pay am. Say he need money. Make people make they contribute money for am. When he with Mathias come sit down, Mathias come interview am, he come talk, say they give am so amount in a Zion ministry. Since then, say he dey call, say they not pay call again. Say, my people, una hear the matter, not be waiting, I go use my mouth to narrate finish. And this one now come choke me, say, Emeka Ani dey inside the church, they dance with good heads. You don't dey okay, my people. No be small matter. As I cross this one, I watch Octo Light. I say, Mehi Kaba, Mathias, come and see this video. I don't know whether my eye they pay me, my people. I don't know whether my eye they pay me. Make una leave the comments. Now here now one for leave una. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. Ciao, ciao, everyone. Bye bye.